G'day, my name's Pete. Today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is 22 years, 6 months old. I have done 2 other videos on this tree in the past, and yeah, it's just needing some more haircut. This one's looking very sparse, this particular branch, compared to the others. But that's my front, and we'll just give it a little haircut. I'm going to start with my sparse little one. I need to put weight on that, bring that down. And I'll do that right now. Okay, so I think I'm finished trimming. I know there's bits I've missed. It's got to be, right? But my thought is of having like a whole canopy over the whole top. I want it higher in the centre and lower on the ends. So these might be too tall, but I can almost trim them down later. It's just that at the moment there's nothing in the middle growing up high enough. I've trimmed so that they'll spread out and grow up. I guess it's going to be like an umbrella tree. You know, it's going to have one whole top to the whole tree. I'm not sure about this branch down here. It may end up going because it's a lot sparser than the other. It's growing weird. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to manage to make this look any good. It might be alright just to lob it right off. We shall see. We'll just keep going. Hey, it's easy enough to cut it off later. And I might be able to turn that stump into a tree anyway. Anyway, so there you go. That's the tree as it is now after its little haircut. I'll give it another 6 to 10 months and we'll see how it looks then. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you later. Hang on, I might raise it up first. Yeah, I'll raise it up. I'll give it a little spin like that now.